I just want to show you how you can use this belly wrap on your tummy if you just gave birth with CS. Because a lot of people get scared after giving birth with CS. They think they can't use any form of belly wrap. They will leave their tummy, and after a while they start complaining that their tummy did not go down. So this is the exact type of belly wrap I used 6 days after my CS. I'm 5 months post CS now. So I want to show you how to use it. Now the first thing you should know is never use any belly wrap or any waist trainer that has bones. It must be free of bones. So this type is what I used. In fact, this is the exact one, the exact type I used, the white one. I've given that to someone. The first thing you must do when using that belly wrap or this belly wrap is to ensure that it is over the incision. The incision will be somewhere here. So since your incision is somewhere here, don't put the belly wrap on top. It must be over, around it. So you are starting the wrap from your hip, so that I can press down on the incision and not be on top. To press down on the incision, okay? And don't wrap too tight. You are not doing this just for your tummy to go in. You are doing this to be comfortable. This will help you, because when you give birth with CS, during that first few period, you will not be able to sneeze. If you sneeze, it will be very painful. If you try to get up from the bed, it's very painful. If you try to squat when you want to use the restroom, it is extremely painful. But you see, with this belly belt, you will do everything easily without any pain. In fact, I think hospitals should start selling this. You know, you just wrap it simple like this. Make sure there's enough space. Don't make it too tight. From time to time, you can keep tightening it as the tummy goes down, okay? But it must never be too tight that there will be no room for you to put your fingers inside. So it's very easy, it's very useful, it's not dangerous at all. If you want to get it, I can give you the contact of the person who is selling it. I don't sell it, you know. I can give you the contact of the person who sells it. So just get this. If you are planning to even give birth to CS, get something like this and keep, so that even while you are in the hospital, you can start wrapping your belly after the CS. It will really help you with the pains. You don't want to know how painful that first few days can be if you don't wrap. This will bind the incision and make it to be firm, so that even when you sneeze, you will not feel the pain.